So now we are going to discuss the exercise of preposition. Okay. Walking dash the road one day, I noticed a frisky puppy playing in a beautiful cottage garden. Walking, what will come, children?
Along.
Very good. Along. Walking along the road. B, I noticed a frisky puppy playing in a. I'm just muting you all. Mute yourself, children. Mute. So you are going to answer me in chat. Okay. Just answer me in chat. Now the second one. Second one is, I was amused by his antiques and decided to stop dash the lamp post. What will come here? By. Yes, by. Then third one. And watch him for some time. The puppy jumped, dashed the food bowl. The puppy jumped over. Absolutely correct. Over the food bowl. Then he ran dash a geranium pot and hid dash it. Then he ran towards a geranium pot and hid behind. Hid behind. Hid behind. Behind. Okay. From there, he watched the fluttering butterflies with a perplexed expression on his face. Perplexed means confused. Confused expression on his face. After a while, I saw him going dash his canal. Going into his canal. Going into his canal. Which was under a shady plum tree. He soon came, can you tell me, children? Out. Very good. He soon came out. Then next, he soon came out with a biscuit in his mouth and then he jumped onto a small stool. He toyed with the biscuit for a while and then abandoned it, finding it less amusing. As I moved, dash the gate. As I moved towards the gate. Towards the gate. As I move towards the gate, yes, he raises his head up and on seeing me, he ran and hid under a wicker. Under a wicker, yes, under a wicker. Under a wicker table, after a minute or two, I heard a voice calling Copper coming from the cottage. He quietly came out. Very good. He quietly came out. The next one. Of his lair and bounded across. Yes, across the garden. Absolutely correct. So I think up to this much is clear, children. No problem to anyone. You have done? Done, children? Okay, now we are going to use, we are going to learn other uses of preposition. Okay. For, I think this we have read for about at Harshit, we have read, I think. We have read this, I think. So now we are going to learn other uses of preposition, like other uses of preposition. Uses of preposition. First one is for. Preposition. First one is for. For is used to show a purpose. Okay, when you're showing any purpose. To show any purpose, like let's go for a walk. When we show any purpose, for is used for to show any purpose. Let's go for a walk. We bought a machine for slicing bread. So here you are showing the purpose. Okay. Then we can also use for a period of time. Like he has been working here for 2 years. For a period of time, we are using for. Period of time. Like I am waiting here for 20 minutes. So you are giving time period. Okay. With expressions like for good, for the first time, for the moment, for the time being. For this also we are using for. Example, the time she is leaving this red city for good. So here we are giving the reason. The car is big enough for the moment, but we all have to buy a bigger one when my parents move in with us. About is used to suggest. Suggest something about. Okay, I'm talking about the meeting. So here you are suggesting something. Okay, I'm talking about meeting. Did you hear about the kidnapping or at school? I want to speak to you about the new project. So when you are speaking about something discussed, something discussed. Okay, then to suggest nearness of some kind, like he's just about to sneeze, to show nearness. He's just about to reach, to show nearness. To show nearness. He's about to leave. Again, you are showing the nearness. Okay, clear up to this much, children? Clear up to this much? Then at is used. At is used. Now we will move on to the at. At is used to state the age at which somebody does something. She got married at 21. Okay. So at the age at which somebody does something. Then to show a rate or speed. To show a rate or speed. A rate or speed. Like I can give you example. He was driving at 70 kilometers per hour. Okay. I left my village at the age of 12 in this way. Then with such expressions like at first, at last, at least, at a loss, at all costs, at all, at once. I haven't done any coaching of kids at all. Okay. Then by is used. We are using by. By is used to show who or what does. Okay. Like it has been done by whom? Action, which is done by something. So we can give an example. He was struck by lightning. So here lightning is action. Okay. Who has done this? He was struck by lightning, which is given us what does, causes or creates something, which tells us causes or creates something. He was killed by a knife. Okay. Creates something. He was saved by a gun. In this way you can make. Okay. For showing how or in what way something is done. Okay. The house is heated by gas. May I pay by debit card? With such expressions like by heart, by mistake, by chance, by the way, one by one, step by step, I met here by chance at the airport. From is used to show the origin. Now, from is used to show the origin. He is from America. Okay, he is from India. So we are showing the origin. To show origin. Okay. Then with such expressions like from memory, from day to day, from morning till night, from bad to worse. Then besides means in addition to. Besides, in addition to. He is walking besides talking on phone. So he is doing two things together. Okay. When we are talking about two things together, then we use besides, in addition to. She is studying besides taking tuitions. So she is studying also, she is also taking tuitions. Okay, two works simultaneously. Then we use besides. It is also used to show as well as apart from. Okay. Then in is used to show somebody jobs or profession. In is used to show somebody jobs or profession. Somebody's job or profession. To show somebody job or profession. Sorry, or profession. So I can give you example like he's in the army. So it is show he's in politics. Okay. He's in the army, he's in politics, or he is in hotels. To show a state or condition, when we are showing any state or condition, he is in good health, the crocuses were in full bloom. For clothes or colors, she is in jeans. Okay. She is in, they all are in white. So it is showing us color or clothes. They all are in cotton. They all are in suits. With such expressions like in need of, in love with, in fact, in general, in the meantime, in the long run, or in under these circumstances. Tom's car is in need of repair. Of is used to show a relationship. Of is used to show